Hey everybody, it's another day, another hairstyle. Lately my hair has been like super greasy, super oily. I don't know if it's after I colored it, my hair feels like it needs to be doing something. I don't know. So I figure let me brush this oil and grease down through my hair. Maybe we'll just braid it and put it up today since it's so, look at that shine. Look at that oil. It could be the conditioner, the hair conditioner I'm using, just because my hair is so flat anyways. So, braids it is today. I'll run a little bit of gel through there. A little sticky, a little stain. Oh! Okay. Alright, so I got all this hair shedded on me. Why? So the braiding I'm going to do today is just like real close to the hairline. I'm just going to pull the hair from the back and stay as close to my face and hairline that I can. Most of the time when you're doing that, you're just going to be pulling that back hair. I'll take you right around the ear. Keep pulling it. Braid it down. That way it comes down right under your ear. When you have longer hair, it's cuter because then it's nice and long and super cute. Now you can add hair and braid hair in there, and then that hair will be longer. That's always cute. Alright, got our braids. So this side, same thing. We're going to stay close. Pull from the back. Right on that hairline. And with the hair being greasy, this is nice just to put it up. Your braid will be all shiny and you're locking in that oil all the way through the ends for a day. So it's like giving your hair a break, giving a little conditioning treatment, locking in the oil. Oil is good for your hair at least. Stayed close to the hairline so your braid stays real close. There you are. That's what you do with your hair when it's greasy. If you wanted to put it up because you don't want to look so gangster, you could always put it up. Put them in each other, have it up like we always do, you know, but sometimes you just gotta let it down and flow and gangster it up, and that's it. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking it in there with me while we're doing all these videos. I know it seems like I'm doing some of the same ones over, but you know, as long as I keep kind of switching it up, we'll be all right, right? If you like the video, press the like, subscribe to it, tell your friends to subscribe to it. Thank you for everyone who's been sharing the videos, and I hope everybody out there has been inspired to style their own hair. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and have a great day. See you next time.